Creating a modular kitchen can transform the heart of your home into a functional, stylish space that caters to your cooking and entertaining needs. Modular kitchens are known for their flexibility and adaptability, allowing homeowners to customize their layouts, materials, and finishes to fit both their style and available space. When designing a modular kitchen, consider the layout first. Popular configurations include U-shaped, L-shaped, and gallery design. Each layout offers unique benefits with unique kitchen providing ample counter space and storage, while L-shaped designs maximize efficiency in smaller areas. The choice of material plays a crucial role in the overall aesthetic and durability of your kitchen. Opt for high quality cabinetry made from materials like plywood or MDF, which are not only long lasting but also resistant to moisture and heat. For countertop options such as quartz or granite offer both elegance and functionality as they are easy to clean and maintain. Incorporating open shelving can add a modern touch while showcasing your dishware and decor, making the kitchen feel more inviting. Storage solutions are key in modular kitchen design. Utilize vertical space with tall cabinets that reach the ceiling, and incorporate pull out drawers and organizers to maximize accessibility and keep clutter at bay. Consider corner units with lazy Susans or pull out racks to make the most of every inch of space. Adding specialized storage for spices, pots, and utensils can enhance efficiency, ensuring everything you need is at your fingertips. Lighting is another important element in kitchen design. A combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting can create a warm and functional atmosphere. Install recessed lighting and overall illumination, and consider pendant lights over islands or breakfast bars to add character. Under cabinet lighting can enhance work areas, making food preparation safer and more enjoyable. In terms of color schemes, opt for shades that reflect your personal style and create a cohesive look. Light colors such as white and soft pastels can make a small kitchen feel larger, while darker tones can add sophistication and warmth. Incorporating a pop of color through accessories, backsplashes, and splines can create a focal point without overwhelming the space. Technology integration is also a significant trend in modular kitchen design. Smart appliances such as refrigerators with touchscreen displays or voice activated ovens can streamline your cooking process and enhance your kitchen's functionality. Consider incorporating charging stations and built in speakers for modern touch. Lastly, think about the workflow in your kitchen. The classic kitchen work triangle consists of the sink, stove, and refrigerator, should be accessible and efficient. Ensure there's enough space between these elements for ease of movement, making cooking a more enjoyable experience. In conclusion, a modular kitchen design marries functionality with style, allowing you to create a space that reflects your needs and tastes. By focusing on layout, materials, storage solutions, lighting, color, technology, and workflow, you can design a kitchen that not only meets your culinary demands but also becomes a central gathering place for family and friends. The result is a beautiful, efficient kitchen that enhances the way you live and entertain, making cooking a pleasure rather than a chore.